What's up, fam? We're back with another video. Today we got a pair of shoes that are going to be blue or sail. I'm not sure which one this is. I got two boxes. It'll say it in the title, man. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys quickly. What do you guys think of these shoes? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment what you think. And we got the nice ones. Well, we got the Jordans, the Georgetown 3's. I don't know why people are sleeping on this colorway, man. It's like the black cement 3's except navy. Like, damn. All right. Woo! Take a look at this, bro. It comes with an extra set of laces, so that's a big up. You know, you have the white laces that come with it, and then the navy laces if you want to rock that. You got the air bubble, of course. And I'm just looking at the leather right here, and this leather seems to be some nice tumbled leather. Some good quality right there. Take a look at that, guys. You got the front look. Some good quality right there, man. The mudguard could be better quality. And oh, this is suede or nubuck. The cement itself is suede or nubuck. I'll show you guys the other pair. So you guys can see it by itself without the laces dangling on the side. Look at that leather right there. When the sun hits it, you can just see the quality. Amazing shoe, guys, amazing. I wish I kept these for myself, but I already sold them. But these are nice, bro, nice. Damn, I might actually just keep them for myself. Woo! These are slept on, bro. I looked at StockX, prices are like $245 about. That's crazy, bro. The black cement 3's are $350. These are $245, $100 difference. I mean, the black cement 3 is an OG colorway. I'm not sure when they last released this and when the first time they released this is, but I know the black cement 3 is one of those colorways that is just original, straight up nice. Everybody wants it just because of the hype. Would I trade these for black cement 3's? Of course I would, hell yeah. But that being said, these are some nice shoes by themselves. This is size 12, guys. Again, let me give you guys another close-up look. We got the Jumpman in the back. Let's give it a slow spin. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes, man. I think they're some of the best. The 3 is one of my favorite models. I really like 3's, I like 1's, I like 4's, I like 5's. You know, all the ones that everybody else likes also. But we're gonna put this in a box and we're gonna ship it out. But damn, I wish I kept them. I can't afford to right now, but holy crap, man, those are nice, bro. I need to get my hand on a pair of black cement 3's. Just holding those, man, I just made me happy, bro. I just had to get my hands on a black cement 3 pair. If someone has a size 12 and they're dead stock and they're selling it for the low, hit me up. I need those now. I need them ASAP. All right, yo. What's today? What goes with Wednesday? Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you guys in the next video.